Hello there, wanderlust souls. Today we're jetting off to the glamorous principality of Monaco. In under a minute, uncover the top 5 must-visit destinations in this Mediterranean haven. Firstly, the iconic Monte Carlo Casino. This 19th-century architectural masterpiece is a playground for the rich and famous. Next, the Prince's Palace, a 12th-century Genoese fortress turned royal residence. This historic site offers breathtaking views of the city and sea. Thirdly, the Oceanographic Museum, a world-renowned institution dedicated to marine sciences. It's a deep dive into the underwater world. Fourth, the Japanese Gardens. A peaceful escape, this meticulously designed sanctuary reflects the harmony of traditional Japanese aesthetics. Lastly, the Exotic Garden. Home to thousands of rare plants, it's a botanical paradise that overlooks the Monaco skyline. Monaco, a blend of history, luxury, and natural beauty. Time to update that bucket list.